Welcome to another weekly video. In this video, we're going to show you how to create and generate invoices via the Finance tab. To create your invoices, you need to go to Functions menu and click Finance and go to Accounts. Input the date you wish to run the account report for, and once there, click the Advanced Settings button, and you can choose whether you want to charge for actual or scheduled time. In this instance, we're going to create invoices for individual clients. To do this, select Group by Client and then click Get Accounts. Clicking the plus symbol next to the client name will select all visits for that client that needs to be invoiced for. Then from the bulk action menu, select Create Invoice and click Go. The pop-up displayed will ask you what invoicing template you'd like to use. Once selected, click Generate Invoice. Your invoices will then be generated in the background, meaning that you can navigate away from this page and carry on with any other task whilst waiting. Clicking the top right-hand corner toolbar will instruct you of how far along CareFor is with this process. Once the status is complete, click the job that is completed, and then in this, a PDF format of your generated invoices will open. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow all of our social media platforms.